The Zuck has a few simple rules to get your net worth growing in the right direction.
Woohoo!
All while keeping your stress levels headed in the right direction. Today we're going to break them down for you, so let's get into it. The first thing Mark says not to waste your money on is branded clothing. People who are savvy with their money know that clothes don't last forever, and the added price you pay for branding isn't worth the long haul. Mark takes it a step further and wears almost the same outfit every day. This is because he's removing decisions, and one less decision for him makes his life less stressful. The second thing the Zuck doesn't burn money on is expensive cars. He's been known to drive Hondas and Acuras, not Lambos and Ferraris. Why? Many times buying an expensive car is just to show off, and the money can be utilized in a much better way to build your net worth. So if those are two things Mark isn't spending his money on, what is he spending his money on? Real estate. Over the long haul, real estate has always shown excellent returns on investment. You're always going to need a roof over your head, and unless you're constantly moving, it probably makes sense to buy versus rent. Buying real estate takes capital to get started. You typically need 20% of the property's price as a down payment. If you're a first-time home buyer, sometimes there's some programs out there that can get it down to about 3%. But the fact is, if you're going to be a real estate investor with multiple properties, you need to start saving for down payments. Zuck's advice, skipping the branded clothing and expensive cars, will have your net worth moving up faster and you on the road to retirement. With so much uncertainty with our Social Security these days, doing what you can to build your net worth faster will have you feeling much less stress as you age. I hope this video helped you put the priorities in place when it comes to thinking about your retirement. If you like this video, please remember to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be the first to know when the next video drops. I'll see you in the next vid. Ciao!